Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Have you always dreamt of living walking distance to the beach? Going for those early morning walks along the coastline? Let's check those boxes for you now. Nestled in the lovely community of Retreat, a few minutes from the bustling town of Morant Bay, step into this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home where you're just 1 minute away from your very own community beach. It really is just steps away. Enjoy all the amenities of this well-maintained property. It's move-in ready. This spacious corner lot lends itself to established fruit trees, beautiful flowers, and well-kept gardens. The primary bedroom is ensuite and boasts a large walk-in closet and changing room. With practical additions such as solar heating panels, there is a fully functioning wind turbine system which acts as a backup. We do not expect this amazing property, with its easy access to all local amenities, to be available for long. Don't let this dream home pass you by. You really need to make an early appointment. Claim this amazing deal. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is £200,000 US, 257.3 thousand, or Jamaican
$40.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.